Got your exclusive Baisic Restaurants voucher? Here's how to use it. First, just go to restaurants.baisic.app. Once you're there, click the burger button on the upper right corner. Then click Login. This will bring you to the Baisic Restaurants login page. From here, you can log in using your email, or you can continue with your Google or Apple account. For this example, I'll be using Anne Colette's Gmail. Let me speed this part up. Nice! You're now successfully logged into your account. Here, you can see your current credit usage. To use your voucher, click the Add Credits button. Now, let's choose a plan. For this example, I'll go with the small plan on a quarterly period. Once you've selected your plan, just scroll down and you'll see the voucher section. Just copy the voucher code from your email, paste it here, and click Apply. Before we proceed, just double-check your selected plan. If everything looks good, click Purchase. This will bring you to the PayMongo payment page, where you can pay using your credit card, debit card, Gcash, or even by scanning a QR code. Once you've entered your payment details, you're all set. Your voucher's applied, your credits are added, and you're ready to go. Baisic Restaurants, where restaurant chaos becomes basic.